Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we are diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of April, 2025, our system has identified D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.53. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned within a strong and broad upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The analysis of the current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 30% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 1.8% to 116.14%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month outlook indicates a projected change of 183.15%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 65.39% and 359.89% over the next year. In practical terms, this would translate to a future price estimate between $11.91 and $33.11. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline, High Volatility in D-Wave Quantum Incorporated Stock Price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $7.20. The D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock price gained 15.76% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, rising from $6.22 to $7.20. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 21.12%, with a day low at $6.06 and a day high of $7.34. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 12.94% during this period. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 15 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 52 million shares bought and sold for approximately $372,860,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $11.95, while the lowest price was 75 cents. Currently, the price is 39.75% or $4.75, below the 52-week high, and 45.58%, or $6.03, below the all-time high reached on the 10th of August, 2022, when the price reached $13.23. D-Wave Quantum, trading under the symbol QBTS, has made headlines with a remarkable increase of 38.7% in March, positioning it as a notable investment opportunity in the year 2025. This uptick can be attributed to significant technological advancements, including D-Wave's claim of achieving quantum supremacy and breakthroughs in quantum blockchain technology. These milestones not only enhance the company's credibility, but also signal its capability for disruptive innovations, appealing to investors keen on the burgeoning field of quantum computing. Furthermore, a collaboration with Japan Tobacco has demonstrated the effectiveness of their quantum solutions in drug discovery, while a partnership with Ford Oticon highlights the practical applications of D-Wave technology in vehicle manufacturing. Such developments suggest a growing demand for quantum solutions, which could attract more clients and bolster revenue. Wall Street analysts project a potential upside of 26.4% for QBTS, driven by positive earnings revisions, indicating that investor sentiment is on the rise. In the short term, this combination of technological advancements and strategic partnerships may drive stock prices higher as market confidence builds. In the long term, sustained growth in customer adoption and expanded use cases could solidify D-Wave's position in the market, fostering a robust investment narrative around QBTS. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 14, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 24, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, May 14, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, May 14, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned QBTS an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, May 14, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have similarly rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. The stock of D-Wave Quantum Inc. shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. However, there's a general sell signal present due to the long-term average being higher than the short-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $6.90 and $7.15. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, the volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. There are some negative signals as well, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, March 17, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 35.60%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 39 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal, 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, 108 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 112 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.09 and $5.81. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, D-Wave Quantum Inc. finds support just below today's level at $6.09. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.81 and $5.79. This stock may exhibit significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.28 between its high and low, which is a change of 21.12%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 16.25%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, sustained negative PE ratios may indicate a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -5 cents. It is essential to watch these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $7.39. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $6.09. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 6th of March 2025, Nguyen Diane conducted an insider purchase of 101,721 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Markovich John M. conducted an insider purchase of 430,360 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of February 2025, Nguyen Diane conducted an insider sale of 2,791 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 23rd of January 2025, Markovich John M. conducted an insider sale of 5,582 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Baratz Allen E. conducted an insider sale of 8,372 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share, based on the 100 most recent insider trades. We have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 30.248. Overall, insiders purchased 48,006,651 shares and sold 94,980,996 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.75, representing a decline of 6.3%. This stock exhibits extremely high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 17 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may represent a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a sell to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of April, we anticipate D-Wave Quantum to open lower by 333/10,000ths of a dollar, starting at $6.87. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.